Hello everyone. Today I will cover a quick video about how to enable the multi-touch gestures to interact with the screens on InduSoft Web Studio and AVEVA Edge 2020. Uh, Several people believe that this is enabled by default on the project, and it's kind of, but we need to do a couple more modifications on the project to make multi-touch gestures to work on your screen. So what I will do now is I will create a new empty project. So I will call it project. That's fine. It will override the project that I already have. So that's fine. It doesn't matter. Project resolution, defaults, security system. I won't use it this time. I don't need it. So let's next, and that's it. So I will create a new screen. Replace partial, that seems to be correct. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Let's click on OK. Let's view the screen in full window. And what I can do is add maybe a rectangle in the screen center, more or less. And I can enable the color animation for it. So I can configure a tag for the color animation. I will call it color tag. Can be integer, it can be Boolean, doesn't matter. And so when color tag is 0, it will be red, the rectangle will be red, and when the color tag is 1, the rectangle will be green. So after that, what I should do is go and right click on the screen and go to the screen script. And the screen script, if I right click over the editor, I have the add touch event options here. So what I will do is select on swipe right and on swipe left. So if I swipe to the right or to the left, it will do something. Of course, we have some other options on touch, delta, etc. Down, up. You can use any of these options, but I will, for demonstrative purposes, I will use only the swipe right and swipe left. So on swipe right, what I want to do is set the color tag to 1 when I swipe to the right. And when I swipe to the left, I want to set the color tag to 0. So that's it. If I save the changes, I can put any name to my screen. I have my screen currently configured to use swipe animations, but that's not enough to make it work. The next thing to enable or to change in the project is going to the viewer settings and go to the multi-touch settings. And then you should select your screen style for the screen where you are working. So on this case, this screen, if you go back to the video to a couple minutes before, you will see that the screen is replace partial style. So here you should enable this screen zoom pan gestures, and you can select any of those. And so with that is enabled, so if you click OK and OK again, and you start the runtime after that, you'll see that the rectangle is red because the stack is 0. But if I swipe to the right, the rectangle now is green. I swipe to the left, it's red again, right, green, and left, red. So I also have the multi-touch zoom and pan options. Of course, if I disable the zoom, I can go back to the swipe gestures because otherwise I will have the pan option only. So red on the left and swipe right, it's green. So that's it. That's how you can easily enable the swipe animations to your screen. I hope it can be useful. And if you have any comment, any question, leave that below in the comments section. Thank you for checking this video.